Happy birthday, Marin. Wait for Mama to come in here. That's AM. That's AM. Look how bright it is outside. Alright, sweetie, go ahead. Oh, okay. Well, you can't have it, Austin.
Pull it out. Pull it out and we'll help you. You okay, sugar? Are we getting choked? You turn it over and then it'll come out. He got his toe, his big toe in his mouth while ago.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah.
Open it. Marin from, yeah, open right there. You got the hickers? You got the hickers?
You open it. I want to get on it.
Right there.
And then put it over.
Is that camera still going?
Yeah. Alright.
It's a little jewelry.
Careful with it. Careful.
It's Tinkerbell, Marin. It's a little jewelry box that you can put your jewelry in.
Yeah.
Oh, it even has, does it have a little...
It's a Tinkerbell.
And then when you close it, she stops.
Don't.
Alright, Austin. Austin.
Let her do it.
Don't close it. She makes noise.
Tinkerbell's a noisy little thing, isn't she?
Yeah.
And you can put your necklaces and your bracelets there.
Your little hair clips.
Oh, your hair clips too. They can go in there,
Yeah.
couldn't they?
Yeah.
Mommy used to have one of these when I was a little girl.
Alright.
Alright, you got another gift. Do you want to open it up?
Here. I open this.
Austin.
Okay.
Austin.
Honey, it's okay.
We'll put this on there.
No.
Oh, that's just for when before she's given to a little girl, she has that on there. She doesn't need it on there now.
Okay, Marin.
Yeah, open this big princess.
You're funny. You're funny.
A butterfly.
A what? A butterfly?
Butterfly.
Hold it up.
Show us what it is.
They're fairy wings, Mary.
Wow.
That big old bag out of the way. Can you help Mary get them off the paper and then she can put them on her back? Wait. Hold too hard, it'll tear it up. Okay, do you know how to get them on? Put that arm in there. Arm in there. Oh. Yeah,
You got fairy
Go look in
wings.
the mirror. You can see your wings behind you.
Okay.
There, you can wear your dress-up clothes and put your fairy wings on. I'm going to take some of these dress-up clothes home. I'm not giving them all to Larry.
You got fairy wings. Now you can fly just like Tinkerbell.
Right. The last present is from Grandma and Grandpa. The yellow bag over there.
It's for me. I have a birthday for you.
Oh, Grandma and Grandpa got you more socks.
Ooh.
How fun. That one has a flower on it. And this one has a dog.
Kitty bowl.
A Hello Kitty bowl. That's exactly right. Can you get it out?
Oh, can't get it. Can't get right there.
There it is.
You click it.
Look,
Ooh.
it's a cup and a bowl and a plate.
You show the camera.
2 more socks. You got Hello Kitty socks here too. Look what she got, Austin. From Grandma and Grandpa, some socks and then a Hello Kitty bowl and a plate.
What?
From Hello Kitty.
Now,
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
to us.
No, to Marin for her birthday. Oh. Wow, Marin. That's cool, isn't it?
Oh, a cup too. I didn't see that.
And a bowl.
Can't get it out.
Let me tear one little piece here. Maybe that'll.
I'm
Right,
gonna give you
now
that.
pull the bowl out. You can let her do it. It's her birthday. Okay. Now.
Now,
Now, get the cup
You can use those at lunchtime, Marin.
out. Yeah.
not what Rose gets. Where did you play for them? And then,
Who gave it to her?
open this one.
That's from Brother.
My brother. You didn't even try.
Now where's the other thing you?
That's not my birthday.
Where's the other present that you did in there? Remember?
Yes, it is.
Go
Yes,
get it.
it is, man.
I made it especially for her.
Man, but you move this and it will go back in. That's like you
Foster, where's that thing you made for her?
can't reach it.
You can't reach it.
It's too far. A plane. Man, it's a plane. Man, it's a plane.
Marin, brother made you a paper airplane.
There. And then, now, Yoli.
Careful.
Man.
Hey, Marin.
Look what I can do. Well,
No. Brother made that especially for you. For your birthday.
are you listening?
Honey, she's just playing with her jewelry box now. She'll play with it in a little bit.
Show him.
Man, look what this plane can do.
Marin, Brother's talking to you.
No,
She's being stubborn, honey.
look at this.
She's-
Honey, she'll play with it later. She's just interested in Tinkerbell right now.
Look. Look. She have butterfly. She have wings.
Happy birthday, Marin.
Yes, she has wings just like you. Do you know how to make her go more?
Yeah.
No? Come here, I'll show you.
You
Give it here and I'll show you how to make her dance more.